Ndipo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indulge Neil on the Wakwe Zone.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndebanye, I'm a Kelon. I'm ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Check on, aka the digital makeup artist. And this is another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so give it up to Cynthia. That's right. Shout out to Cynthia for sending in her name for this Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So I asked Cynthia to describe herself. I think she hit me up and said that she's done an African ancestry DNA test and found out that she was Nigerian. So she hit me up, so I'm grateful that she hit me up and told me about that and shared that wonderful news with me. So I'm gonna help her connect back with her roots a little bit more, and I'm gonna give her an Igbo name, right? So Cynthia, I asked her to describe herself, and she said that her parents would describe her as a gift from God. She herself has a lot of talents and interests. One that stuck out was that she said she wanted to be a business owner. She wanted to open up a cheesecake business. So she has a little bit of a sweet tooth. So I was thinking about the spiritual part of that, you know, her parents saying she was a gift from God, and her interests as well too. And I thought up of the perfect Igbo name for her. Chimduto. Come on, say that with me. Chimduto. Good. All right, so is everyone ready to translate that name together? Okay, cool. So, Chi in this context means God. That sound means, is referring to yourself, right? So it's Chim, meaning my God. And De means is. And Oto means sweet. So Chimduto means my God is sweet, right? That's the literal translation of it, because Oto kind of, it means sweet, but it could also mean it's just like wonderful or just something that's pleasing to me, something that's amazing, something that's great, right? And so since she said that she likes to cook and bake and she wanted to open up a cheesecake business, I thought that would be the perfect name for her. Chimduto. Come on, say that with me. Chimduto. Good. So, Chimduto's names give them the power to have great taste when it comes to the finer things in life. They always know where the party's at, and they love to surround themselves with good people. Tag and share this video with all the Chimdutos that you know. All right, thanks. So what do you think? Did I get the translation right? Is that a fitting name for her? Let me know in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. I really appreciate everyone's support of this YouTube channel. Please continue to comment and like and subscribe all down below. Hit me up on my Instagram. All of your support is great for the YouTube algorithm. So please continue to comment. Let me know what you think about this series. I appreciate you guys tuning in to learn more about Nigerian, African culture, Igbo culture, as I highlight names and certain aspects of the culture for you guys. Don't forget to hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I post a new video, and share this with a friend, right? So share this with a friend if you or that friend would like to get your very own Igbo name, right? So if you, like Cynthia, who did an African ancestry DNA test, would like to know what your name would be if you were Igbo, if you were Nigerian, let me know in the comment section down below. Also hit me up on my Instagram DM. That way we can actually communicate and you can let me know some personality traits about you. And then I can use those personality traits, talk to people about them and say, this is what this person's Igbo name would be, right? So let me know down in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think about this series. And yeah, if you are Igbo, let me know as well, and I can highlight your name on the next Igbo Name of the Day. So I appreciate you guys showing me some love in the comment section or hitting that like button. It's free. Thank you for watching this video, and all of your engagement goes a really long way, so I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.